Hey guys, this is Spectrum. This is a video review of my toolbox. It's a Husky. It was about 370 bucks. That's just top drawers, a bit of wrenches here. I have miniature pliers, palm wrenches, ratchets, screwdriver. The screwdriver actually has lights. It's pretty cool. Empty. I still have a lot of way to go. This is pretty much a miscellaneous drawer. Anti-seize. Everything a toolbox needs, right? It's a roller chain breaker. Miscellaneous. Now here goes the serious stuff. Pretty much I got a homemade steering wheel puller, some sandpaper, gas lines, socket holder. That's a Stanley Fatmax tool set. There's everything. Mastercraft grinder, point, 1/4 inch air ratchet. Down here, all my chemicals: paint, car cleaner, anti-squeal, rubber care, silicone spray, battery cleaner, white lithium, contact OS, brake protector, fuel injector cleaner, everything you need. This is a tools drawer, Ryobi Impact, battery operated, cheap Mastercraft drill, DeWalt reciprocating saw, Ultra Pro angle cutoff tool. Everything comes in handy. Here's pretty much miscellaneous again. Subaru first aid kit, just in case you nick yourself or something. Everything's in there you need. Gloves, important. Alright, so that's pretty much important thing. Magnet screwdriver holders with screwdrivers. Yeah, it was cheap from Home Depot. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's my Mac toolbox. I mean, not Mac. Husky toolbox. With tools. Alright, I'm out.